Hello everyone, Fofolicious Food Bites is here, and today is delicious beans plantain day with fried pepper sauce. Let me share my ingredients for today's recipe. Beans, onions, rodo, tatache, palm oil, iru seasoning, spices, salt, ginger, garlic, boiled egg, pomo, fried fish, plantain, and sliced beef. I've prepped all my ingredients, cleaned my beans, meat, and it's time to cook. Add my sliced beef in a pot, put in all the spices, the seasoning, the garlic and ginger, sliced onions, mix together and let it cook. I can smell the star anise, the cinnamon. The flavor is so nice, honestly, so very nice. My water in the pot is boiling. In goes my beans. Add some onions, mix it very well, then add some salt. Cover and allow it to boil till it's very soft. While my beans and meat are boiling, I start to fry my plantain. It's looking so good. I'm going to fry it till it's golden brown, then set aside. Now, I start with the sauce. My palm oil is already in the pot. I'm adding a bit of seasoning, allow it to sizzle very well to make it very hot. I don't want to bleach the palm oil. I want it to still have that palm oil taste, in the sauce. So I'm adding all the seasoning. Then when I know that it's very hot, I just put in my iru. I don't want to miss iru. I want the iru to still bring out the flavor, Now, in goes my chopped pepper. I mix it together and allow it to be very, very, very fried. I'm not putting tomato in this pepper mix, but you can add tomato if you like. Now, I add in my pomo, allow it fry, mix it. It's really, really getting so fried. Then you add the meat because I want the meat to still be very, fried. So my meat is done. So I fried in the meat. Then I'll now add the meat into the sauce and my boiled egg. And the sauce is ready. So simple, ready. Now my beans also is done. I present to you this deliciousness. Yes, my beans and plantain with pepper sauce is ready. It's so good, it's so yummy, it's so fofoliciously satisfying. Please recreate and let me know how you enjoyed this recipe.